Hello, welcome to our presentation. Today, I would like to present about our mobile application app. It is called MyToDos. So from the name, you can already guess the type of our application. Yep, it is simple to do this app. Now, let me introduce our team. My team is called Monster Trio. Our team members are Swan Pyae, Khin, and me, Thet Swe Lin. Firstly, I'm gonna introduce about our application by explaining why we created to choose this app to develop, and Mason will explain more about our application, and lastly, Kinjoshin will perform a demonstration of our application. So let's get into the actual presentation. Okay, in our daily lives, there are a lot of things happening, and it is there are sometimes we need to take notes of, of important things. And because it is simply impossible to keep track of everything in our mind, because we're gonna forget about it in a very short period of time. So there are note-taking apps and reminders app to create this app. And personally, I mostly use the reminder app of iOS to take notes of important things like my assignment due dates and the important dates like when my visa will expire. So it's really useful. And why not create our own version of this app? So in this way, we decided to create a simple, user-friendly, and customizable to-do-list app. Okay, now Ms. will explain more about our application.
Now I'm going to tell about our app features and some quality attributes. We made our app first user-friendly. To-do list is a very common app, and as we target for various ages of people, we made it very user-friendly. That's why we focus on how users interact with our program efficiently, making them feel more comfortable and confident in using our app. Second is simple and eye-pleasing. We believe that simplicity is the best, and as everybody could use our app, we make it very simple for everyone. We prioritize maintaining clarity and ease of use to enhance user experience without unnecessary complexity. Customizable. Since users can use a to-do list for various purposes, we made it possible to modify. Users can customize how to manage, prioritize, and organize their tasks as they prefer. Next, I will tell about the app workflow. First, we have a homepage, the main interface of the application. On the homepage, there is a Create Text button for making a new list, and a History button for checking the format text that you have done. The main flow is making new text. As you create text, you can describe the name of the text, add description or note, and you can set date and time. Also, you can prioritize text with different colors. On a history page, user will be able to view and check the old text to-do list that you have already parsed and done. And next part will be presented by Khin.
Hey, so last but not least, I will be demonstrating to you how our application works. So let's go. Okay, welcome to my to-do-list app. This is the main interface of the whole app, and this is where the newly created task will be at. So in the upper left corner of the interface, there is a display of current date time, and beside it, there is a button to add new task. So these are the tasks we created, and on the bottom right corner, there's a View History button where we can view the archived task. So simply put, the users will be able to either delete or mark a task as completed. So I'll be showing you how those works later. So now, let's try marking a task as complete. So there's a navigation button on every task. So now let's tap it, and there you see there's a task completed button and a delete task button. So now let's try task completed. Okay, there you go. The task is not in the main menu anymore. Now let's go view it in history. Voila, this is the task that we just marked as completed. Okay, so now let's try creating one new task. Let me just input some information real quick. And we can also choose a time for this when we want the app to notify us. Okay, 6:30. Now let's edit. There you go. This is the new task we just created. And now let's try deleting it. Delete. Okay, so the deleted app should not be in the history because we wiped it completely. So there you go. The task we just deleted was not here. So, oh, and for this history page, we can also filter the task by their colors. So let's try that. Voila. Yeah, that's all about our presentation about our to-do list app. And thank you so much for listening.